All right, here we go. We've got solve 2 times the sine of 2x equals 1. And if you're looking at this in terms of the scenarios we were discussing back in the beginning, this is only, all we have is a double angle. There's no just x involved. And so we can solve for this double angle. And then at the end, work our way backwards and divide everything by 2 and get down to just x itself. And so maybe it'll help to kind of think of our domain. If we're looking for 2x, well, what do I need to do to everything to get this x to be 2x? Well, I'd have to multiply everything by 2. And so that would be, well, 0 times 0 is still 0, but 0 degrees is less than or equal to 2x, which is less than, well, 2 times 360 is going to be 720 degrees. And maybe that helps you see why we're going to go all the way out to two full cycles, is because or two full times around the circle, is because we're trying to get the double angle. When we work our way backwards, we're going to get just x. If it was 3x, 4x, 5x, whatnot, you'd multiply everything by 3, 4, 5, etc. So that all being said, let's go to it. So first off, let's divide everything by 2. So we have the sine of 2x equals 1/2. And where are we going to have? I like to think of this kind of as a y or as a question mark. Where are we going to have the sign that gives us 1/2? So we have 1/2 in the first quadrant. We also have 1/2 in the second quadrant. And we're dealing with degrees right now, so when it's a reference angle of 30 degrees. That's going to be 30 degrees, and over here that's going to be 150 degrees, because again, that reference angle is 30 degrees. So in quadrant 1, we'll have 2x is equal to, in quadrant 1, it's going to be 30 degrees. In quadrant 2, wanted to write that with Roman numerals there. In quadrant 2, it's going to be 150 degrees. Now think of this first angle. If we're going out to 270 degrees, then I need to add another 360 degrees to get back to there. So back in quadrant 1 again, but this time we're at 390 degrees. And then back in quadrant 2, from this angle here, adding 360 degrees is going to give us, let's see, what's 150 plus 510 degrees. 510 degrees. Remember, we just want x, so we're going to divide everything by 2. And our answers are going to be that x is equal to 15 degrees, 75 degrees, what is that, 195? 195 degrees, and 255 degrees. All right, I hope that helps.